If you want to appear offline on Epic Games, the important thing to know first is that the Epic Games launcher does not have a native Appear Offline button like some other platforms do. So if your goal is to hide your status from friends while still staying in the launcher, the closest option is to use offline mode browsing and then disconnect from the internet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, and I'll also explain the limits of this method so you know what to expect. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign in normally if you are not already signed in. Once the launcher is open, look for your profile area and then go into the Settings section. In Settings, scroll through the available options until you find Offline Mode Browsing. This is the key setting that allows the launcher to be used without staying connected online. Turn that option on. After that, make sure everything is saved and the launcher is ready. Now comes the important part. To actually appear offline, you need to disconnect from the internet. You can do that by turning off Wi-Fi, unplugging your Ethernet cable, or disabling your connection through your network settings. Once your device is offline, the Epic Games launcher will no longer be able to show your online status to friends in the usual way. This is why it works as a workaround for appearing offline. Keep in mind, though, that this is not the same as a true invisible mode. Because Epic Games does not offer a native offline presence toggle, you are relying on the launcher's offline browsing behavior. That means some social features may not work while you are disconnected, and you may not be able to access online content until you reconnect. If you want to go back online later, simply reconnect your internet and restart the launcher if needed. At that point, your Epic Games status and online features should return as normal. So in summary, the only way to appear offline on Epic Games is to enable offline mode browsing and then disconnect from the internet. It's a simple workaround, but it gets the job done if you want a bit more privacy while using the launcher. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.